Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. In the first part of this video, it's all about organizing chaos in my youngest daughter's room. This is something that has needed done for so long now, and it's finally getting done. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. My videos pertain to home life. I like to provide cleaning, cooking, car tutorials, fixing things, projects, painting, all kinds of content like that. I also like to provide much needed tips along the way. If that is something that you are interested in, please join my YouTube family. We are called the Keep Up Crew. I call us the Keep Up Crew because we're just trying to keep up with work life. We're trying to keep up with our homes, our families, and everything else in between. Sometimes in life we get overwhelmed and it's not easy working a full-time job and having to keep, your house up to par full-time as well. I know a lot of people don't like cleaning, but the key to cleaning is do not wait until the last minute. Don't wait until everything is just crazy and off the hook. Make sure that you're trying to keep up with it throughout the week so that you're not spending your entire weekend cleaning. So before you leave out, please do not forget to hit subscribe and also show that like button some love as well. I'm going to use this Awesome to see if I can get the nail polish off of the desk. Prior to using the Awesome, I did use some Mr. Clean Yellow disinfectant as well as some vinegar. I don't think I've ever met an 11-year-old with this much paperwork. Well, I actually had a lot of paperwork like that when I was younger too. I was so messy. My room was always a hot mess, and my best friend used to come over and clean my room for me. Anyway, that is why I call everything organized chaos, because my best friend used to organize my life for me, you guys. She used to organize my room and everything, so I never really had to do it. I never really had to learn. And now as an adult, I'm learning how to organize. How about that? Sounds crazy, I know, but I like to keep it real on this channel. I ended up having to clean this mirror off with vinegar 3 different times, and then I followed up with some Sprayway glass cleaner. It had all kinds of hair products, dust particles, dirt, all that great stuff on it. How are you guys doing today? Leave me a comment down below. Have you been saying your affirmations? Have you been practicing self-care? Have you been loving on yourself? I really need to know, and if you haven't, please be sure to go give yourself a hug, some grace, and some love. I can still shake the feeling that I'm lonelier with you. Here's what the closet is looking like, so I'm going to take care of this next. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. It means everything to me. Okay, Okay, so I'm not cleaning the top of the closet. She can clean that out herself, but I did get all of her clothes out of the bottom of the closet and put them all over here for her to go through. Moving right along to the TV, when you're cleaning off your TV, try to spray the cleaner onto your cloth, newspaper, or paper towel, whatever it is that you're using. Try not to spray it on the television. A lot of times our TVs require for us to not spray them. Just make sure that you're reading your instruction manual, and just think about it like this. Televisions are very expensive, so you definitely want to conserve the life of your TV and not give it any reason to want to act up. Okay, so this is what the side of the room is looking like. Excuse me, sorry about the lighting. The window is open and it's doing all kind of crazy stuff with the curtain. That mirror was so hard to clean off. It was so dirty. It had like hair products all over it, but everything over here is clean. So all of these clothes are part of that basket that I couldn't fit them in, so she needs to go through that as well. So then you come over here to her desk, which looks 159% better. Everything has been wiped off. Everything is clean. It's a lot of work, and the reason that I did it, because she's old enough to do it herself, but the reason I did it is because every time I came in here I was like, hey, straighten this up, straighten up that, and then I was like, you know what, I can show you better than I can tell you. I'm gonna throw all of your stuff away, and then you can go through your clothes and figure all of that out. So that is what happened today. I am burning up. Here's the view of her room after she got all of the clothes off of her bed. You know, she donated some, she had to throw away some because some of them just were not good enough to donate, and her room looks 100% better. Okay, so I need to just clean off the countertops in the bathroom, straighten up, get everything out of here, clean the shower and the bathtub as well. I've already cleaned my toilet area, so I didn't have to do it on camera because I know a lot of people don't like that. This is the next morning. It did take me a while to declutter and try to organize my daughter's room more than what it already was, because it really wasn't. So I was really tired, I was worn out, but this is the next morning. I'm so productive in the morning. I can get so much done. So we're just gonna get this bathroom out the way. One way that I keep up with my home throughout the week is to try to just deep clean one item or two items per day and nothing more than that, because I don't want to wear myself out. I don't want to get burnt out. I don't want to get exhausted and overwhelmed, because anxiety is a real thing. So I'm not cleaning every inch of this bathroom because, like I said, I break things down. So I'm just going to clean what needs to be cleaned right now, which is basically maintenance cleaning. You'll have to let me know how you break down your cleaning below in the comments. I would love to know and pick your brain and see exactly how you do things, because a lot of times if we are introduced to other routines and we jump on that bandwagon for a second, it may be a game changer.
I need your help, so baby, can you take my hand? 'Cause I can't stop falling for you, babe. You're all I want. I wanna wake up in the morning and hold you close. Can you take my...
I get a lot of questions about this bath shower brush doohickey. I actually purchased it on Amazon. However, I can never find the correct one as far as a link, but I will link one that is similar down below in the description box for you in case you want one. I mean, let's be real. Whatever makes cleaning easier for you is the way to go. This is a combination of vinegar, alcohol, and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I'm going to use this for my shower. And of course it's in a method bottle because they have the best spray bottles. Listen, if you can get you a good spray bottle, stick to it, because I've tried so many and they just really don't have a lot of good spray bottles out there. I have found the Method spray bottles are the bomb, so I always reuse mine. It's also a great way to save money. All the mirrors were actually cleaned yesterday with an exception of the one by the bathtub, well, above the bathtub. But my husband's mirror was really, really dirty, so I had to re-clean his, but the bathroom is clean. That's all I had to do. I had already wiped the cabinets down. And then bathtub is clean. And I'll show you guys my closet because it's funny. It's still a hot mess. One day I'll clean it, but not today. Here is what my bedroom is looking like. All that needs to be done in here is a quick speed clean, and I'm just going to put a little bit of touches of fall around the room. Please tell me that I'm not the only person who avoids areas in my home that are messy or overwhelming or just don't make you feel good when you walk by them. I'm just not ready to tackle that beast of my closet just yet. But I feel like, you know what? It's a new season. Maybe I should, clean it up. Help a sister out. Help me below in the comments. What way do you think that I can actually organize it? Because, my organization skills are subpar.
Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Tomorrow is soon, we'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark, one more oasis. There is
One thing that I try to make sure that I clean off are these plant leaves. It's obviously not a real plant, but you should clean your real plant leaves off as well, just as needed whenever they're looking dusty or dirty.
just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun.
All I did was put this in here. I don't know why I didn't hit record, but I did clean off my TV stand and I also cleaned off my desk. But anyway, this is my little decor, my little touch of fall for here. I am completely and utterly obsessed with the little red trucks or the little blue trucks or the little black trucks, whatever they are. All trucks is what I'm obsessed with. Leave a comment down below and let me know what item you're absolutely obsessed with in your home.
Again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Don't let me think back.
Bed is made. Everything in here has been wiped off. Everything is nice and clean. The lighting is horrible. Got my cute little pumpkins right here. And then the cute pumpkin over here, which, like I said, the lighting is bad.
Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts
This is my vacuum filter. Excuse the noise, the dishwasher's on. So I'm gonna get this taken care of. The key to cleaning off this vacuum filter is to squeeze, add soap, and squeeze again. The dirt will squeeze right out. Every time I squeeze, I see all this dirt that comes out. It's really pleasing to watch, but I know it's kind of gross that was actually something we were vacuuming our home with. Anyway, I added the Dawn antibacterial dish soap to wash this off. Thank you again for being here. I really appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the like button because it shows YouTube that my videos is something that you want to watch. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love for you to join my YouTube family, the Keep Up Crew. So here is what they are looking like. Like I said, I probably need a new one if I'm honest with you, because I have had this for so long, I'm sure I need a new one, but we gonna roll with it, okay? We gonna roll with it. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.